Hey guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cram, my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, you guys, we are not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that. We are not a buy or sell channel. Alright, we use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. Alright, so if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now or sell now, you are on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to trade these markets profitably, then stick around, guys, because that's exactly what we're gonna do. All right, so I hope you guys are having a good one. Just give me a quick second. Just 1 second, you guys. All right, sorry, my camera had a little bit of an issue. I'm just fixing it up. Cash gets on London and ruins the way I have my setup configured. So yeah, I always have to set it back up. Alright guys, we have another challenge ahead of us today, okay? Super choppy Friday, that's what it's gonna be. And also, we have about 10 minutes to do some top downs for you guys, okay? So I'm looking at the chat right now. What do you guys want me to do? I have gold done up. I have gold ready for you guys. What do you guys want with the indices? Tell me. I'm gonna do a top down for you guys. We're gonna do it the right way, from the top to the bottom, just like the way you guys like it. So tell me, dirty. I'm seeing dirty. All right, cool. All right, I'm gonna quickly start sharing my screen with y'all. Okay, so I have Goldie marked up, alright? I have Goldie marked up and ready. I just did this top down some time back, and it looks like it's going to play out eventually, alright? So let's see. It is a choppy Friday. I'm telling you guys right now, don't be going too crazy. Let price do its thing, and even if we don't get any trades today, you'll need to realize that it is a Friday, alright? The Fridays are notoriously known for taking away your profits from over the week, alright? So you guys wanna take care, and you guys want to be careful with all of these sort of moves that we could potentially be getting today, okay? The buys for Goldie up there. Alright, and we have the shots coming down there. Let's take a quick look at the RSI, overbought. EMAs. Golden cross. Let's see what they want to do, okay? Alright, so you guys said y'all wanted the dirty first. Is that right? Did you guys want the dirty? Dirty. Okay. I hope you guys can see my screen now. Can y'all see my screen? Damien? Okay. Alright, so we've got 9 minutes. Who here thinks that we can't do 2 top downs in 9 minutes? Come on, I want to see the chat. Give me a challenge, guys. Listen, I strive on challenges. I work best under pressure. Tell me I can't do it, and I'm going to do it for you guys. All right, let's get this done, all right? Let's get started. What are we doing on the daily? All right, so we had nice bearish moves from the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. All right, healthy retracement after a bullish move. Overall trend is definitely bearish. We're holding some support from there. We have a nice high at the previous day resistance sitting there, the body close of the previous day. Let's go ahead and mark up the highs and lows. All right, so that's going to be our daily resistance. We're going to have our daily support just there. All right, and let's have that up as a nice... Alright, so we've got our targets. Let's move on to the 4H. Let's tighten everything up, see how everything's looking. Looks good. Looks good. Okay, we're coming into some 4-hour resistance here. Let's take the bottom wick as... We could have either the bottom wick or we could have this area, whatever you'd like. But because we're going to have a choppy session, I'm gonna have it at our bottom wick for today. Okay, so we have some forward support coming in here. Let's switch over to the Ali. Let's see how the Ali is looking. Okay, starting to play out. The picture is coming in on the Ali. We could possibly be doing something like that. All right, neckline over here. Break, retest. Nice area. That leaves us with our Ali support sitting right here. Okay. Let's switch over to the 15s. See how everything's looking. Chop, rangy markets. Alright, we're coming into some nice little demand right there. Okay, looks good. Alright, we don't need any levels on the 15, so I'm going to switch over to the 5 really quick. Alright, it's all starting to align up. Looks good. Let's have this right there. Boom, downtrend. Solid downtrend coming in from here. Okay, if we want to break past, we want to maybe do something like that, and then maybe we can get a nice little retracement. But of course, if they don't want to hold from here, then we're pushing all the way down there. Okay, alright, so at times like this, I like to mark up a little 5-minute resistance sitting right here. Okay, and let's see if we want to break past that. Okay, so are we coming into some supply? Yes, we are. We have a nice clear level of supply sitting right there. Let's go ahead and mark that up. And yes, there you go. And we have some demand sitting right in this region here. Okay. Supply, demand all marked up. You guys know where the buys and the sells are going to be at. We're going to have our buys on the break of these sellers sitting at our supply and potentially push up there, and we could have our shorts from down here, and we'll find a TP as and when we move. Okay, so let me take a look at gold. Let me see. Gold's not doing anything right now, but one down, one to go. Okay, damn it, I need some music. I can't do this without music, right? Okay. What plans do you guys have for the weekend, man? What are you guys doing? Working? Me too, buddy. Me too. I have 10 one-on-one sessions lined up for tomorrow and day after. 5 tomorrow, 5 day after. It's the past couple of weekends have been super busy for me, man. It's been ridiculous. The only good time that I have on the weekends is the UFC events that happen Sunday morning for me, Saturday night for most of you guys. But that's the highlight of my weekend. I'm not even kidding. But it's always fun to work with the guys from the community on their one-on-ones. It's something I enjoy doing. So that's always fun. Working in the restaurant? Awesome, you own a restaurant, man. What cuisine do you guys have? I own a collision repair shop. Awesome. Celebrating a friend's wedding. Lovely. Look at you guys. River House on Sunday for Mother's Day. Awesome, awesome. Japanese? I love it, man. I love it. Okay, let's switch this up over here. Catch all of that demand sitting right down there. Building into our Ali support. Just down here by that wick. I like that. Let's switch over to the 15s. Chop is off right now on the 15s. Okay, nice solid uptrend coming in over here. The uptrend looks something like this. Alright, which leaves me with some supply sitting right up there. And some nice demand coming in right here, okay? Let's take a look at the RSI. Alright, the RSI potentially bullish. Break out of here. We could look to maybe complete this move and push to the upside. Okay, so I like the long sitting right over here. Get that fill, and then maybe if we break past that, we can go higher. And then, of course, if we make this nice double bottom, we're looking to break down from here and move to the downside. Boom! Alright, so I did it, and I still have a minute to go. Market opens in the next 1 minute, buddy. Alright, so a minute to go. We have the top downs done. Everything's looking just fine. But we're going to wait for these moves. Y'all know us. We don't chase any of these moves. We just do what we're good at, which is analyzing these markets. And then the rest of it, we just let these trades come to us, okay? Let's have gold. I'm going to make a quick little change on gold, okay? Right there. Alright guys, let's have a good market open. We've got about 20 seconds to go. Let's see, you guys. Let's see if we want to get any sort of moves at all. If price even wants to do anything. I'm looking at the indices. And let's have a good one, okay? This is market open. Alright, they're selling off. They're selling off. Picking up some support right from there. Let's see if they have the volume to push, okay? They're sitting right at our EMA, you guys. They're sitting right at the EMA as well on the dirty. So we could just pick up some support from there. As you can see, we are currently picking up support from the EMA. Watch out for Nasty. Whoever is looking to trade that, watch out for Nasty, okay? Gold, not doing much right now. Okay. They're trying, alright? I'm gonna set up a little order on the dirty roundabout, and okay, I don't think I'm gonna get a chance to set an order looking at this. Right about that area, okay? I'm looking at maybe this region. Look at Nasty. Nasty's potentially trying to break past our supply. Okay, look at that. They're trying to break. Guys, if we break this wick, I'm getting in, alright? If we break this wick, I'm going to be trigger finger, and I'm going to get in to possibly ride it down to the early support, okay? But I want to break this wick. Every step that I take is another mistake to you. Do we have any Linkin Park fans here? I'm just listening to Numb right now, and what a freaking vibe. Alright guys, I'm in on the dirty, and I'm running right now. I'm in with multiple positions, and I'm up by about 5 grand on the dirty. 3,500, 7,000 on the dirty. Let's go, we're going down to fucking hit TP. Boom, let's go and catch this. Liquidate your positions, guys. 9 grand, I'm up by 9 grand on the dirty right now, okay? Who's catching this with me? Boom! Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. I've liquidated my positions. I closed out about 6,500. I'm a happy man. I can't be complaining. It is what it is, you guys. Who caught that move with me? Who caught it with me? W, good stuff, buddy. Alright, guys, we've got trades playing out right now, okay? W, dirty, good stuff, man. W on Nasty, good stuff, B2. Wait for the next 2 minutes. Wait for the next 2 minutes, okay? Do we seriously have no one that listens to Linkin Park or listen to Linkin Park over here? You guys have got to be kidding me, man. Either you're a lot older to me or a lot younger to me. One of the two, okay? Because I grew up on Linkin Park. Love Linkin Park, B2, my man, my man. Paper Cut is so good. So, Not my typical music. I get that, buddy. I get that. Guys, listen, by the way, I closed out only one position. The other positions had gone over to break even. I'm running on the dirty again, alright? I'm up by another 5.5 grand on the dirty. Still fucking falling. What a move. What a move. I told you guys where my sell stops were gonna be. And even with my runners, I'm up by 7,600 right now. 7,000. Guys, this is an amazing, amazing, amazing Friday. I'm pulling my positions out. I don't care if this wants to go. I had 4 positions open. Boom, boom, boom. Close it. Why you traded on impulse candle? Because I have the confidence to trade on an impulse candle, buddy. When I'm analyzing these charts, I'm able to see when the impulses will play out, when they're not able to play out. It's just because of the time that I've spent in these markets. So I get in on the impulses. I don't advise you guys to do that. Wait for the candle to do its thing. You guys need to wait to respect the strategy, okay? But we built this strategy, all right? So for us, we know when to get in on the impulse, okay? Look at that. Straight up TP on the Dow. We didn't have any sort of a retest on Nasty. Let's take a look at gold. Gold's not doing too much right now. All right, I want to see W's in the chat. How many of you guys caught either gold, either the dirty or Nasty? All right, we're having a little bit of a retest. Let's see, maybe half that candle. So we could be looking at about, that region looks like half the candle to me. All right. I've liquidated my position in its entirety. Let me tell you how much I caught on that, guys. I caught 2,300 plus 1,900 plus 2,100 plus 800. 4 positions and closed them all in the blues. Guys, where are the W's? Is nobody trading with me today? We've got 43 people on here. Y'all knew where my sell stops were. B2, I know you made some money, but what about the rest of you guys? Are y'all just watching? Kyle, Jamie, Will, okay. 4 people, that's it. Out of 43, that's a pretty depressing number. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. How many lots you entry with one position? That shouldn't matter to you guys. Alright, everyone's account risk management is separate, and y'all shouldn't worry about how much money I make. Y'all should worry about how many pips I make, okay? That's the way you guys will learn. And I can tell you that I made about 23 pips on this move. 23 pips. Didn't get in on the impulse. That's fine. That's fine. All right. Let's see if they want to break that and give us more of a move to the downside. All right. The RSI is picking up some support right from 30, but we do have potential to push right back down and create a lower low. Okay. You're in gold? Won't you come? It doesn't even... My MT5's having some problems right now. Lol, trying to get it fixed at the moment. It's all good, buddy. It happens. Gold's not... Excuse me. Gold's not doing anything, okay? Gold's not doing anything right now. Alright, so the retest, like we said, could come up till there. That's about half the candle. Let's see if they hold at that region. Yes, there is, but it's probably not going to be very volumized anyway. It is a Friday. This move's still on, by the way, alright? So what I like to do at this time is I like to flip this over to a green box now to let us know that we have some demand that's sitting here. Let's see if we want to respect this demand and go boop boop to the upside, okay? All right, so same story here. This flips up to demand. They're not respecting it over here. Let's see, man. Maybe I like gold coming into our little box over here. There's no Dow Jones on MT5. It depends on your broker. MT5 is only a terminal where you basically link your broker and you execute your trades. So it depends on your broker. What broker are you with? It should either be U30, US 30, Dow Jones, something of that sort. Look at that. Straight up push to the downside. Okay, so there were no Lambo entries that came in over here. Let's see. Maybe we start gearing up for the sells on. Nasty as well. Alright, let's have the DXY go side by side. Alright, the DXY is going bullish. Coming into some supply right there. If we break out of here, we could get this move to the downside on gold. Alright, so far they're rejecting. Okay, so this move is still on. This move is still active. You should have a folder, Kevin, that says CFD or indices or something of that sort when you hit your search bar, and you should be able to see. If you could send us a screenshot of that, I'll be able to probably figure out what it is that you need. Got index? Send us a screenshot over here. Send it on the chat, and I'll tell you which one's the dirty. Two, 4, 5, 6. I'm up by 7 grand today, you guys. 6,800. I'm happy, man. I'm happy. I'm gonna ask Cash to send out my position to you guys. I tried a little different money management today, okay? I've been working on something new. But I've actually entered in on multiple positions. My one-on-ones, you guys will be interested to know what I'm cooking right now. But I'm going to send this out. Cash is going to send it out for you guys, okay? Give me a second. I'm just going to send it to her. Y'all know me, alright? I never get comfortable. I'm always trying new things. Not just for myself, but for you guys as well. And I'm really liking the way this money management is starting to play out, okay? It's only day 2, but it's looking good. Babe, can you please send this to the group? My one-on-ones are all staring. Yeah, man. I'm always working on these new things. Check it out. She's gonna send it across right now. Look at that. Alright, Cash just sent it out to you guys. Smaller positions, tinier positions. Well, I wouldn't say tinier positions. Definitely an overall larger move. But in different breaks, alright? In different breaks to the downside. And I was able to catch that. Okay, so instead of leveraging it all on one position, looking at sort of getting in and out even more quicker on these sort of moves. They're all about 20 pip trades, except the first one that you can see. Any position open? Not as of now. I literally just got out of a nice little sell position. Made about 7 grand on it, but we're just staring now, okay? We're just staring. Kevin. Alright, what do you have? Index, AX, CAC, ESP, SX, SMI, UK, Australian, HK, Japan. NAS 100 is NASDAQ. Yeah, I reckon it's WS30. Could you open up WS30 and tell me what the current price of it is? Match the price. See, if the price is close to this, it doesn't have to be exact. It could be 50 up, 50 down. But if it's around about 333 100-ish, then you're on the right one. Choppy Friday, you guys, as we can see. Chop, chop. Not too much happening. Alright, this area still looks good. It's at about, yeah, there you go, buddy. That's it, okay? I'm still selling the dirty. Be careful, brother, be careful. I do believe that we can push back down. But that's a major demand coming in over there, okay, down here. Set BE now. That's good. As long as you're in a risk-free position, it's all good. The supply is potentially playing out. Yep, okay. Looks like the reversals are definitely going to start to come in. We could come back down to maybe create our second leg before we start to push back up, but let's see. I'm seeing a lot of sellers sitting right there at about the GGFX. If you're on the session, look at that number. You remember what we spoke about last night? You remember what we spoke about? What are the chances, right? Look at that number right there. 33400, pretty much sitting right at our supply, all right? GGFX, that one's for you. And you can see how we're picking up sellers from that psychological number. I'm calling you GGFX when your name is out here on Zoom. It's all good. Closing my position, that sounds like a good idea, buddy. Oh, I can't wait for the weekend. I wish that's something I could say. It's really not, though. I feel like I just need a couple of days off. I need to get away. Probably travel a little bit, get out. We're scalpers, aren't we? Absolutely, man, 100%. Scalper by blood. Scalpers all the way. Scalpers all the way. We're the army of millionaires and the army of scalpers. I love it. Look at how choppy NASDAQ is, but I like the sells, okay? One-on-ones, what are we potentially beginning to see on NASDAQ? Good stuff, Raul. Alright, so let's see. We break this, we're coming down here. We break that, we're coming down here. We break that, we're coming down to our daily support, okay? Baby, please come back. It wasn't you, baby, it was me. Look at that fall. Don't show his sincerity. Look at that, you guys. They are trying to freaking drop, man. There will be no next time. Who's trading this dirty? Who is trading dirty right now? Who is catching that fucking break on the dirty? What do we tell you guys? This is what we do here at Forex Trading. Realize your goddamn profits. If it's 100, if it's $5, if it's $10, that's a quick scalp. In, out. If you're holding, you could possibly be in a drawdown now. Okay, so we need to break past that and push down, but we're creating a lower low. Jamie, Fred, Zero, good stuff. I'm seeing some W's in the chat. Nasty is approaching our sell area as well. All right, we break that wick and I'm jumping right in, you guys. I'm jumping right in, okay? All right, I'm in with a tiny position. I'm going to test it out, and if... Fuck, we're breaking, though. I don't want to miss the move. All right? But I also don't want to FOMO into it. Fuck it, I'm in. I don't care. I am in on this trade, and I'm running by about... I'm running. I'm fucking running on this right now. I'm in with 3 positions, 3 small positions, not very large ones, and they're all running by about 10 pips at this point. 15 pips. There you go. I'm catching about 1,500 on each position. 4,500. Give me another 5 grand again, and we are bleeding, you guys. We're goddamn bleeding. How intense is this? Who is catching this with me? I love it, man. This is... Today's crazy for a Friday. I mean it. Today is absolutely... It's insane for a Friday. What is going on? Look at that move. Look at the nasty. Look at freaking... Look at dirty as well. This is intense, you guys. This is intense. I love it. Boom! There you go, Kyle. There you go. I'm liquidating all of my positions, okay? I'm cashing out another 7,200 on this. I'm done, you guys. My account's done by... It's up by about 15 grand today. Almost 15 grand. I am extremely happy. I'm gonna walk into this weekend a very, very, very happy man. How many of you guys caught that shit with me? I want to see W's in the goddamn chat. Millzone, you better have caught that, man. Clean break. Breakdown here as well. And all of you guys, my one-on-ones, y'all better have caught this, okay? Beautiful moves. Very, very clean session. London today was extremely choppy, but New York's turning out to be just the opposite. Super, super clean. I love it. I love the W's. These W's now better turn into success stories, right? I mean it. These W's, they need to turn into success stories, okay? I just see like 2, 3 success stories. That's not very cool, okay? I mean it. We're doing this as a free service for you guys. Y'all need to know that. No one is going to be putting you guys onto a server like this and giving you guys London Market Open and New York Market Open for absolutely free with the kind of analysis that we do. We've spent 7 years of our lives to bring this to you guys, all right? All we ask from y'all in return are just 2 tiny little things. Literally, 2 tiny little things. 1, success stories on our Forex server. And 2, some Twitter posts to get some eyes to what it is that we do here, okay? It's free for you guys to do, and come on, we're the nicest to you guys, okay? Y'all can give back this much to us. We're getting people to make a shit ton of money over here. The least y'all can do is just post on some success stories and Twitter posts for us, okay? We're gonna be on the lookout for it, so you guys better go on and get that done. Thank you so much, Neha. So Neha has sent out the YouTube link for you guys. Go on, click on it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you want to see how CramFX looks, go on, all right? You're going to see my face right there. And make sure you guys like the stream as well. You'll help us beat the algo, even though, in all honesty, we don't really give a shit about the algo. I hope YouTube doesn't ban me for saying that. They better not. Point being, we don't really care too much about all of this stuff, okay? Because we're here to educate you guys. We're here to make ourselves some money. And we're here to make you guys some money, all right? So make sure that you'll go ahead and just post the stuff for us. Can one of you guys please throw on our Twitter to the chat? Look at the reversals coming in now, right? This was a nice solid move. A nice 50 pip drop right from our break of previous structure sitting there. And nasty, give us about small move, but it is what it is. 14 pips. Gold didn't do anything. Guys, watch out for this level on gold, okay? If y'all have made your 50 pips, yes. This is 50 pips on 50 pips, not from our entry point. 50 pips, just that candle from the break of this structure, buddy. That's a 50 pip move. Yes, sir. That's how it is, man. That's how it is. I wouldn't recommend you guys to be trading this, because if you've made your money already, then get out of this trade, okay? Get out of these markets. You're done. Go enjoy your weekend. Be happy, be merry, get drunk, get high, spend time with your family, do what you have to, do your thing, but just be out of the markets, okay? Gold reversal. Open this chat and close your MT4, guys. I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. I'm done. I'm literally done. Is anyone having problems with MT5? Mine is freezing all the time. That happens, buddy. It's not MT5. It's your broker that's basically manipulating your account. It's really not. It's really not. It's really not MetaTrader. I'm having the MT5 issue as well. Took me -1 because I couldn't close. Is it MFF? MSH joined a bit too late, buddy. We're about to wrap up. We're about to wrap up. We've already had a great session. 2 successful trades for me and a lot of people on the community on the dirty. Also a nice little trade on nasty. We caught it, man. MFF, yeah, man, that happens. Babe, did MFF rug you? Babe? What the fuck? She fell asleep, you guys. She's sleeping. She's hugging Zoe and sleeping. Okay. I wasn't expecting that. Cash? Okay. Yeah, she's fast asleep. I think I wasn't loud enough today. Crammy, you jealous? No, man. Zoe's a little baby. She's the cutest little thing, the tiniest little thing. She's our first daughter. She is. The rug is only on the dirty, though gold was fine. Okay. Yeah, that shit happens, man, with the brokers. That stuff happens. My MFF froze on. I hope she's not in any sort of trades. No, she wouldn't do that. But yeah, our broker wouldn't do that. With the individual accounts, it's a lot easier. It's a lot better. With the fundeds, they usually end up screwing you over. Okay. Come back down here. Test out there. I like the bearish moves whenever they want to come. I like this break of structure for the bearish moves. Is anyone still in any sort of trades, or are you guys done? I never had a problem with news or high volume moments with TFF. Emily, what's TFF? If you could please enlighten the group. Out of everything, me too, buddy. I'm on gold shot from the top. From there, looks good. Looks good, okay? But gold is gold. If it happens to break past here, trust me, it's gonna give you that wick fill, okay? So have a hard stop loss on that. Done for the week, chilling. Likewise, my man. Chilling, taking it easy. Looking forward to tonight. I'm gonna get the drinks going. Gonna just have a good one. What do you guys like to drink? I love asking that question. We have people from around the world. And what's your poison? What time is it over there? It's 7:30 in the evening. Whiskey? Yeah, I'm a whiskey guy myself, man. What whiskey do you guys drink? As I'm from Poland, vodka? Vodka. I like good bourbon, likewise, man. Belgian beers, Glenn, my man. You better be mixing a lot of stuff with those Belgian beers, alright, Glenn? I'm envious of you, brother. Oh, yeah. I love myself some Glenny as well, bro. Yeah, I know, but I'm not gonna lie, alright? Call me mainstream, call it whatever, but I freaking love JD and Coke. I'm not gonna lie, it's my go-to, literally all the time. Um, I'm a JD guy, man, completely. I enjoy JD a bit too much. Either with Coke or on the rocks, one of the two. But I'm a JD kind of guy. Yeah, that taste, that classic um, freaking taste. I love it. I love it. And that mixed up with some THC works out really well too. No, man. Well, I'm not denying it, but no, no. This is the first time I could catch your stream, Cram, because of work schedule. Looking forward to the mentorship session, even though it is in 2 months. Yes. What is your Discord name, Emily? Yeah, guys, we there's a solid freaking wait time as of right now. Oh, you're Dark Star. What's up? What's up? Hi, hi. Welcome. Cash told me about you. Yes, there's a freaking long ass wait time. Cash has been nailing it with the bookings. She handles all of it. She's been doing the openings. She's been getting in new people. She's been doing all of that good stuff, and it's just she's basically got me all booked up for the next 2 months. Okay, so that being said, our slots are now going to open up a lot slower just because 8 weeks is a lot of wait. And we wanted to come down a little. So we're most likely going to be releasing it in batches now rather than just letting you guys know that there's one slot open to message us. But we'll probably release maybe 2 a week, 3 a week. We'll figure it out as we go. But we let you guys know, right? There's a solid freaking wait time now. If you guys want to get past the wait time, we also have an express package though. All right, so you'll remember me telling you that I'm working Saturday and Sunday. The reason I'm working Saturday and Sunday is because we have people on the express course. All right, so we have people that are skipping the wait time and they're jumping on Saturdays and Sundays, working people, and just people that aren't able to really join us on the weekdays, and we're working then. So that's your alternative way out. But apart from that, there is a wait time, man. All right, so please be mindful of that, and let us know if you guys want to get signed up. All right, I don't think we have any openings left for this week, but message Cash and let her know in case you guys want to get signed up, and then whenever we have the openings next week, she will just let you guys know in the order that y'all have messaged. Okay. What just happened, Milton? On the dirty? It's not surprising, buddy. If you're asking about the dirty, that is a gap down. All right, pretty straight up. We had a gap down. We had a push. This is the liquidity in the market that needs to be filled, which is why we're filling that up. And now it seems like they want to push it down even further. Is that what you were asking, Mills? Everything gap down? Yeah. Krem, in case I get impatient before 2 months' time, can I upgrade to the express session? Yes, you can, Emily. Yes, you can. Look at that. All right, so we had the push up, and we're coming down. All right, we may come to fill that, and we may come here. Look at the freaking fall on the dirty. All right, look at that on. I don't like gold. Let's not look at gold. I'm done for today. Closing empty for real right now. That's awesome. That's awesome. You should be doing that. Booked another profit with Nasty. I love it. All right. I love it. I want you guys to go ahead and put on your success stories, okay? It doesn't matter. Look at these freaking candles, man. Nobody's giving you these sort of pips for free. I mean it, okay? If you guys made $1, $10, 100,000, 10,000 like I did today, whatever it is, okay? As long as you have gotten some, one, money, or two, value from these sessions, then please just go on and put on a success story and put on a Twitter post for us, okay? It's free for you guys to do, and that's all we ask for in return, to provide the services that we provide for you guys and that we're going to continue to provide for you guys, all right? So listen, I really appreciate all of y'all. We've had a very, very successful week. It's been one hell of a week with a lot of new people coming on board. I want to thank all of y'all for the ones that have come on newly. Welcome to Forex Trading. Welcome to the army of millionaires, all right? We're growing. We're very, very motivated to push in this direction that Cash I and Millzone have been working towards for the past 8 months now. I'm not even kidding. I say this every single time. I'm going to say it again, but we're legit building an army of millionaires, all right? It's your time to shine. It's your time to come on board. It's your time to make some big bucks with us, because once you crack this, you're going to experience financial independence for the rest of your life, all right? And I cannot emphasize on that more, because Forex trading changed our lives. Cash and my life, it changed our lives completely. Literally, completely. And all we're trying to do is give back, because we've realized the more we give back, the more we get, all right? Cram, out of curiosity, this week was an easy week, wasn't it? Sometimes I'm using the same strategy, but my entry keeps missing. Maybe it's a rough week. Well, no week's an easy week, all right, buddy? Every day is different. Every trade is different. Every week has its challenges. But if you're going to say easy, then yes, easy in the way that TA was respected more, and the and the markets were volumized. So in that way, it was an easy week. But fuck, look at Nasty. Is anyone still catching this? But with the strategy, the issues that you're having is possibly a volume related thing because of the choppiness in these markets. You may get in, you may get out, and it just boils down to the fact that maybe your risk management isn't the way it's supposed to be, all right? So if you have the right risk management, if you have all of that good stuff taken care of, then despite it being a shitty market, despite it being a pretty market, you'll still make your money, all right, buddy? It was nice seeing you in your stream, especially for the first time live. I'm glad to cross paths with you. Thanks for everything. You're very, very welcome, Emily. I'm really looking forward to the sessions. Listen, even if it's hard for you to join these sessions, try to watch the replays. Yes, JJ. I'll just get back to you after the session, okay? It's either tomorrow or Sunday, one of the two. Give me just after the session, and I will fix a time with you, all right, buddy? But yes, I want you to watch the replays of these sessions. Try to do that. Try to join as much as you can, and so that we have more to work with by the time we get to the one-on-ones. But even if it's hard with work, and I understand that it could be hard with work, I don't want you to stress with it, because I'll make you start all the way from scratch. All right, Emily? So don't worry about it. We've got you. All right, all of us at Forex Trading, we've got you. All right, guys. Listen. Insane week. A lot of learning, a lot of pips made, a good amount of money made. I'm not complaining. You guys shouldn't be either. Please go ahead, enjoy your weekend, all right? Just like y'all go to the gym, just like y'all go back home and rest your muscles. The same way, stay away from these markets for 2 days. Rest your brains, come back fresh, all right? We're going to have the schedule out in the next couple of hours, if I'm not mistaken. Again, I'm not 1,000% sure yet, but we may not be having a trading day on Monday. Cash and I have some work. We have a shoot with our production house that we physically have to be there for. So I'm going to try to make it, but Cash most definitely isn't going to make it. But we'll keep you guys updated. We'll have the schedule for next week out in the next couple of hours. And and we'll see you guys next week. Let's gear up. Let's prep up for an insane week next week. And let's learn more. And trust me, in the process of learning, you're also going to make your money, all right? So don't chase the money. Don't chase the pips. Just do what you're good at. Do what we're good at. And these markets will give you the moves, all right? So Nasty is still freaking dropping. Is anyone still holding Nasty? I just want to know, is anyone still trading this? All right. Small positions, good. Get out of it soon, liquidate soon. They are going oversold, and they're eventually going to start buying. All right, so thank you guys so much. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you are. For the one-on-ones, make sure to message Cash. She'll keep you guys updated, and just have a great weekend, you guys. We'll have the schedule up in some time. Thank you guys so much. Have a great weekend. I'm Cram, my partner's Cash, and Millzone, and this is Forex Trading, fam, signing out. Have a great weekend, you guys. Bye.